In this episode, we'll show you how to learn and use English phrases, give examples, exercises, and role-play conversations you can practice daily. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Improve English Speaking. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark. Today, we're talking about Episode 3, Learn Phrases Instead of Words.
Many learners focus on individual words, but this often slows speaking and makes sentences sound unnatural.
Exactly. Native speakers think in phrases and chunks, not single words. Learning phrases helps you speak more fluently and sound natural.
In this episode, we'll show you how to learn and use English phrases, give examples, exercises, and role-play conversations you can practice daily.
Part 1. Why learning phrases is better than words. When you memorize only words, you have to figure out grammar and word order every time you speak.
Right. For example, if you know want and go, you have to think, I want go to store?
But if you know the full phrase, I want to go to the store, it's automatic. You don't need to think about grammar every time.
Learning phrases saves time, improves fluency, and helps your sentences sound natural. Part 2. How to learn phrases. Step 1. Focus on daily life phrases.
For example, how are you? I don't understand. Can you help me? I'm looking forward to it.
Step 2. Learn phrases in context. Don't just memorize. Use them in sentences or mini conversations.
Step 3. Repeat and practice out loud. Say each phrase multiple times until it becomes automatic.
Step 4. Use new phrases in your daily life. Even small sentences matter.
Step 5. Record yourself using phrases and listen to improve pronunciation and flow.
Part 4. Role play and examples. Let's practice. Repeat after us.
Exercise 1. Greeting someone.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
Exercise 2. Asking for help.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
Exercise 3. Expressing feelings.
I'm really looking forward to the weekend.
Me too, I can't wait.
Try to think in phrases instead of individual words. It will help your speaking flow naturally.
Part 4. Mini stories using phrases. Here's a short story with common phrases. Yesterday, I went to the market. I saw my friend and said, "Hi, how are you?" We talked for a few minutes. I bought some fruits and said, "Thank you very much." It was a great day.
Now try telling your own story using 3 to 5 phrases you've learned today. Part 5. Tips to remember phrases. Number 1. Learn phrases that you actually use every day. Number 2. Repeat phrases out loud multiple times. Number 3. Use them in real conversations. Number 4. Record and listen to yourself. Number 5. Think in phrases, not single words.
When you speak in phrases, your sentences sound natural, confident, and fluent.
Part 6. Motivation and encouragement. Learning phrases is fun and practical. It may feel slow at first, but your fluency will improve steadily.
Even learning just 5 to 10 new phrases a day can make a huge difference over a month.
Keep practicing, repeat daily, and speak using phrases. Your English will become more natural. Thank you for listening to Improve English Speaking. Tip 3. Learn phrases instead of words.
Next time, we will talk about Tip 4. Listen and repeat. Improve pronunciation and fluency with interactive exercises.
Keep speaking every day. Practice phrases. Your English will grow with every sentence.